Good morning, children. How are you all? You are all fine, healthy, happy. Had your food? Okay, ready for your second class. Have you finished your Tamil class? We'll go to our rhymes class. We have one more rhymes left. Okay, what is that? Turn to page number 49. We have the rhymes polar bear. We are going to learn about polar bear. Okay, polar bear lives in the place where it is very cold. You all have seen ordinary bear that lives in the forest. It is brown and black in color. It is very big. Now if you look at the picture, what is the color of the bear? It is white in color, right? This is a polar bear. There is a difference between polar bear and the bear that lives in the forest. Polar bear lives where the place is very cold, usually filled with ice, like the Arctic and the Antarctic area. There are places where the ground is covered with ice because the places are very cold. Today we are going to learn about this polar bear. Okay, polar bear is a carnivorous animal. How do you define carnivorous animal? Animals that feed on other animals are called carnivorous animal. Animals that feed on other animals are called carnivorous animal. Okay, if we look at the food of the polar bear, you can see another picture. This is also an animal which lives in the polar regions. This is called seal. This is called seal. It usually looks like a big fish with a tail and fins. Okay, this is seal. The favorite food of polar bear is seal. The polar bear feeds on this seal. In the next picture, you can see a polar bear eating the seal. Okay, so now you know the meaning for carnivorous animal. The polar bear kills the seal and eats the seal. So the bear eats the seal. One animal feeds on another animal is called carnivorous animal. The animal that feeds on other animal is called carnivorous animal. Shall we go to the rhyme? Polar bear, where will you sleep? The polar bear sleeps in the cave. Okay, the lion lives in the den. Similarly, the polar bear lives in the cave. Polar bear, where will you sleep? I will sleep in my cave until I am ready to eat. Polar bear, what will you eat? I will eat a big seal for my morning treat. Okay, is it easy for you? Simple, right? 8 lines are there. First, we are asking the polar bear, where will you sleep? The polar bear says, I will sleep in the cave until I am ready to eat. And then polar bear, what will you eat? I will eat a big seal for my morning treat. Polar bear, where will you sleep? I will sleep in my cave until I am ready to eat. Polar bear, what will you eat? I will eat a big seal for my morning treat. Polar bear, where will you sleep? I will sleep in my cave until I am ready to eat. Polar bear, what will you eat? I will eat a big seal for my morning treat. Polar bear, where will you sleep. I will sleep in my cave until I am ready to eat. Polar bear, what will you eat? I will eat a big seal for my morning treat. Polar bear, where will you sleep? I will sleep in my cave until I am ready to eat. Polar bear, what will you eat? I will eat a big seal for my morning treat. Polar bear, where will you sleep? I will sleep in my cave until I am ready to eat. Polar bear, what will you eat? I will eat a big seal for my morning treat. We have learned about the rhymes polar bear. Okay, so I want you to learn the rhyme polar bear. It is in your book, page number 49. Okay, next we move on to my story. We are going to learn about tiger today. How many of you have seen tiger? You all have seen in the pictures and in the television. So this is not new to you. Tiger is the national animal of India. What is our country? We live in India. Our country is India. The national animal of India is tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India and it belongs to the cat family. When you take a picture of a cat and a tiger, you can see the picture of tiger. The cat is small, the tiger is big. It looks similar to a tiger except for its size. So the tiger belongs to the cat family. The tiger belongs to the cat family. If you look at the body, what is the color of the tiger? It is reddish orange in color. Our skin is very soft, but the skin of the tiger will be thick. It is called fur. Okay, so the tiger has reddish orange fur. It is reddish orange in color with black vertical stripes, dark vertical stripes. So we can easily identify tiger from other animals. It is orange, reddish orange in color with dark vertical stripes, and it is very cruel animal. Can we keep a tiger as our pet? No, it is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. What does the tiger eat? It feeds on other animals like the deer. Okay, so it is called as a carnivorous animal. Tiger is a carnivorous animal. It feeds on other animals. It feeds on other animals like deer, zebra. So it has to run fast. It runs very fast. Where can you see tigers? Tigers usually live in the forest. We can see tigers in the zoo. We can see tiger in the circus, isn't it? So tigers are the largest cat species in the world. It is very big and it is heavy. It has reddish orange fur with dark vertical stripes. The Bengal tiger is the most common tiger that is found in India. It lives for 20 to 26 years. The tiger lives for 20 to 26 years. Usually the adult tigers live alone. They can swim. The speciality of tiger is they can swim and they like to be around water. Tigers are great swimmers. How do they hunt? They slowly hide behind the bushes and wait for the other animals to come near them. Once it comes near them, it jumps on the prey and it with the sharp claws it kills the other animals. Okay, so take your books, turn to page number 54. You can see the picture of a tiger. Okay, tiger is the national animal of India. It belongs to the cat family. It has a strong body with black stripes and sharp claws. It is very cruel and ferocious wild animal. It is a carnivorous animal. You can find tiger in the forest, zoo or in the circus. So we have learnt a rhyme today and the story about the tiger. Okay, try to learn the rhymes for today's homework. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.